Hello everyone. Today's explanation will be about completion of algorithm. We will take an example of the completed algorithm. Suppose we want an algorithm to do the following tasks. The first task, to loop round 100 times to input 100 temperatures. The second task is to output the number of temperatures which is greater or equal than 0 and the number of temperatures less than 0. The third task is to output the mean temperature of the 100 inputs. First, we need to use three variables. One is for setting the temperature that is greater or equal to 0. It's named T1 0 or more, and it's equal to 0. We put it equals to 0 since we need to add in it all the temperatures that are greater or equal to 0. The second variable is named T2 less than 0 and it's equal to 0 since we need to add all temperatures less than 0. While the third variable is total temp that it's equal to 0 because we need to add all the temperatures in it to use it to calculate the mean. Then we use the for loop to make the first task that it's need to round 100 times to input 100 temperatures. So we write for count equals 1, 200. We mean by it that the for will loop till the count reaches 100. Then we enter the for loop and put in variable temperature input enter temperature. We mean by input that the word enter temperature will be shown on the user's page to enter the temperature. Every time the user enters the temperature, the number of temperature will be saved in variable temperature. This sentence will be shown to the user 100 times till he enters 100 temperatures. Then we will move to if condition. If temperature is greater or equal than 0, then we will put in variable T1 0 or more the last value of T1 0 or more plus 1. In this case, it's 0 plus 1. While if the user enters another temperature that is greater than or equal to 0, T1 0 or more will be equal to 1 plus 1. So now it's 2. It means that the user enters 2 times the temperature is greater than or equals to 0. While if the user enters a temperature that is less than 0, so we will put else and add in variable T2 less than 0 the last value of T2 less than 0, that it's 0 plus 1. If the user enters another time a temperature that is less than 0, so we will add 1 to the last value that it's saved in variable T2 less than 0. Then we will put end if since we are getting out from the if condition.